Spermatogenesis. In this video, we will going to know about the process of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis takes place inside the seminiferous tubule. Here, I have drawn a diagram of seminiferous tubule. This is the diagram of seminiferous tubule. In the inside of seminiferous tubule, there are two types of cell. First is the male germ cell, also known as spermatogonia. The male germ cell undergo meiosis. This one male germ cell will undergo meiosis and will going to form 4 sperms. Okay. Now there is another kind of cell in the seminiferous tubule, and this other kind of cell is known as Sertoli cells. This other kind of cell are known as Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells plays the major role of nutrition. It provides nutrition to the developing sperms. So let's see the process of spermatogenesis. Now this male germ cell will go under meiosis and form 4 sperms. But before it will undergo meiosis, the male germ cell will undergo mitosis. Before meiosis, it will undergo mitosis, and it will going to produce some additional copies of itself. Like this, I have shown. The one male germ cell will going to divide and will going to form 2 male germ cells, and it further will going to divide and form another 4 male germ cells. These all are the male germ cells copies. Now from these copies, only one will going to divide, only one will undergo meiosis. So this is the main reason why the spermatogenesis never stops in a male till life. So this one male germ cell will undergo meiosis. So when it starts to undergo meiosis, it is known as primary spermatocyte. This male germ cell, when undergo meiosis, it is known as primary spermatocyte. So when it undergo meiosis, it is known as primary spermatocyte. Now this primary spermatocyte will undergo meiosis, and it will form 2 cells. First it will going to form 2 cells. These 2 cells are known as secondary spermatocytes. Now one thing you have to take into notice that the primary spermatocytes have 46 chromosomes. It has 46 chromosomes. It is diploid in nature, while the secondary spermatocyte is haploid in nature. These both cells are haploid in nature. So here is the meiosis 1 complete. As we know, meiosis will take place in 2 steps. First is meiosis 1, in which primary spermatocyte will going to form 2 cells. Now it will further form 2 more cells. This cell will form 2 cells, and this cell will also form 2 cells. So at last, this is meiosis 2. So at last we will have 4 cells from one primary spermatocyte. These 4 cells are known as spermatids. These are not sperms. These are known as spermatids. So to form sperms, they need to attach to a Sertoli cell. These spermatids will going to attach to a Sertoli cell. As we have talked above, the Sertoli cell provide nutrition to the developing sperm. These spermatid will going to develop to Sertoli cell. Here is Sertoli cell, and here is spermatid. So what will going to happen is Sertoli cell will provide spermatid nutrition, and its tail will starts growing. After the tail formation, it will be known as sperm. So this is how the sperm formation takes place. This whole process, in which primary spermatocyte forms secondary spermatocyte, then spermatid, this is known as spermatocytogenesis. This whole process is known as spermatocytogenesis. spermatocytogenesis. While this process in which Sertoli cells provide nutrition to spermatid, this process is known as spermiogenesis. This process is known as spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. And this complete process in which spermatocytogenesis and spermiogenesis takes place, this complete process will be known as spermatogenesis, the formation of sperms. Okay, so here we have talked about spermatogenesis. Now you can take the screenshot of this, so you will be better retain in your memory.